In this video, we will go over how to process your payroll once the pay period has ended. As a reminder, payroll must be submitted by 4 p.m. Pacific Time, 2 days before your employee's check date. To start, click Time and Pay under Management, and then select Run Payroll. You will see the upcoming payrolls at the top of the page. This will show you your payroll type, pay period, payday, the status, and your actions. For the payroll that is upcoming and due next, click Run Payroll. At the top of the page, you will see a message of when you must submit payroll by and when your employees will be paid. Keep in mind, if you miss this deadline, your employee's direct deposit will be delayed. If you pay by check, you can pay same day. Next, if there's any outstanding items that need to be approved, such as timesheet edits, time off, or payouts, you will see a red banner at the top of the page stating, "Please review and approve pending items below so you can process payroll." If you scroll down to the employee summary, click the Approve Pending Item button to the right of the employee name. Here we can see that our employee has 2 timesheet entries that have not been approved and 1 time off request that has not been approved. Additionally, if there's any timesheets greater than 12 hours, you should review those to ensure that your employee did not forget to clock out. Once you have approved all the items, click Close. Next, you'll want to continue the process of approving pending items. Once all pending items have been approved, you'll be able to continue the Run Payroll process. Now it's time to view the report. First, you have the office summary. This will show you the total hours for the office as a whole, such as their regular hours, overtime, double overtime, paid holidays, paid time off, total hours, additional earnings, and reimbursements. Next, you have the employee summary, and this will show you a list of the employees, their regular hours, overtime, double overtime, paid holidays, paid time off, their total hours, any additional earnings such as bonuses, commissions, and any reimbursements. Next, you'll have Actions. Under Actions, you can click the 3 dots and you have the option to skip payroll. This can be used if your employee did not work during that time frame. Continuing on, you have the overtime summary, which will show you any employees that went into overtime or double overtime. Next, you have your payout summary, which will show you any employees who received a payout, the units, the date earned, and the type. Continuing forward, you have your hours worked summary, which will show you the location and project that your employee clocked into, total hours, the employees in that category, their regular hours, overtime, double overtime, and the totals. Next, you have a holiday summary, which will show any employees who are assigned to a holiday and how many hours they are receiving. You have a time off summary, which will show you the types of time off taken, the employees assigned to the time off, how many paid time off hours there were, and how many unpaid time off hours there were. Next, the report will be broken up by employee. Once you review the report and you're ready to continue, click the Continue button in the top right. Now we are at the Review and Submit page, where you will be able to review the company pays, hours worked, and take-home hours, and tax and debited amounts. At the top, you will see when you must submit payroll by as a reminder. If you have any employees who are paid by check, you will also see a reminder to pay them by check. At the top of the page, you should see the office summary, which will show you the total payroll, debit amount, debit account, debit date, and employee pay date. Next, you'll see the company pays. Here, you will see the employee name, gross pay, any reimbursements, company taxes, company benefits, and subtotals. Under hours worked and take-home hours, you will see the employee name, the salary type, how many regular hours they have, overtime hours, double overtime, paid time off, and total hours. Employee take-home will show you the employee name, the payment type, gross pay, deductions, reimbursements, employee taxes, employee benefits, and payments. Under taxes and debited, you will see the tax description, what is paid by the employees and what is paid by the company, as well as the totals. Next, you will see the tax description and the totals. Before submitting payroll, take a look at the total payroll cost and ensure that you have that amount in your bank account to debit. Once you submit, we will debit for that amount. If you have any employees that you pay by check, you can click the Review Check Amounts, and you can use this to write in-house checks. Once you are finished reviewing this page, you can click Submit. You will see a green success message at the top of the page, and if you have any employees who will be paid by check, again, you can still click the Review Check Amounts button here. If you have any questions, please feel free to review our support resources in the bottom right or reach out to our team. Thank you.